High-performance computing demands high-density storage and fast transfers. Introducing ICYDOCK's ToughArmor series for your high-density builds, ideal for HPC servers and builds of all kinds. Strengths of ICYDOCK's multi-bay drive enclosures. Chassis made of industrial-grade rugged metal. Modular design for quick deployment and expansion. Can fit in a single or multiple 5.25-inch external drive bays. Fit up to 8 to 24 drives per enclosure. Supports 2.5-inch SATA SAS-U .2 drives and M.2 SSDs. Removable drive trays let you swap drives quickly without opening the case. Some models feature tool-free trays, so you can install and swap drives with maximum convenience. ICYDOCK NVMe enclosures support PCIe 4.0. Each PCIe 4.0 enclosure supports up to 64 gigabits per second transfer speed and can ensure data security through various RAID modes, assisted by RAID software or hardware. Each tray has an LED indicator and can come with ID labels to provide a view of each drive status, alongside labels to help categorize and manage drives. ICYDOCK also provides top-tier service and support.